One more bridge. Look at this. When you are doing Bolaven Loop during dry season, what is really cool about this place that people playing some games, gambling. We take picture. We take picture. I'm scrolling here. It's like the best view. They love this game, and actually it's a lot of fun, honestly. I already got lost.
It's safe to eat.
Yeah. Nothing fancy, super simple. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I am in Lo little town, and being precise, I'm in Lo village. I would like us to stop for a second and check out how we actually get to this place. This road is a part of small Bolaven Loop, which is about 200 kilometers. Anyway, they don't have the coffee we need, that's for sure. We asked Lao Coffee, they said no, they have only instant, so... This loop is also known as Bolaven Plateau. The loop is famous for its waterfalls and coffee plantations in the area of Pakse. It's located in the south of Laos, not far from 4,000 islands. Usually people start this loop from the side of Pakse, first visiting Wat Po, which I call Lo Waterfall. In our case, the plan is to meet with our friends who live in Lo village. That's why we started the loop from the opposite side. So for today, the task is to drive 85 kilometers. Area there are lots of these small bridges,
not very well maintained.
Yeah. But again, this shitty, super shitty bridge. One more bridge. Look at this. The road looks pretty new, but I don't understand why they didn't fix the bridge along with the road. One more bridge. Oh my god.
Can you feel that?
In before I go to town, not even village. Goats, why not? Cows and goats everywhere. On the roads, in the cities, towns, even in Vientiane you can see goats. Music is everywhere, people celebrating, little swimming pools, water guns, having fun. Here we will try to get something. Lots of barbecues, fish, looks yummy, sausages, maybe some noodle soup. The name of this little town is Laos. Yes, and it's a town, it's not a village. It has few more streets, because usually villages is just one street along the main road and that's it, and few more streets with no pavement. It's a town. So this is what we've got at the local restaurant. We are trying kind of every dish, like chicken, fish. This is yummy and juicy. This is very healthy thing. I'm not sure about bamboo. Yeah, bamboo. I'm not sure about the names. This is fermented fish with natural ingredients, quite salty. So now we are having our lunch, heading to Lo village. There is a river there, but it looks like basically no water. It's not rainy season, dry season, so kind of nothing surprising. So I'm guessing when you are doing Bolaven Loop during dry season, you will not see the beauty of all waterfalls in the way it should be. So think about it, guys. Lo Waterfall. Hotel. Where is hotel there? Okay, let's cross the bridge and let's stop and see the map. What your friends told. Where are they now? Where we can stop. No, don't come to them. Here are people celebrating. I don't want to come closer because they pour the water on me. But this is how it goes. It's all about water. It's all about this kind of fun. They got so excited to see us, especially Danny. They were like, hello Farhan, hello Farhan. Yes, Farhan. The street to drive. Looks there are a few streets with asphalt with proper coverage, which is very good, and it looks like almost the end of this street. The central part of this Lo we just drive through, and we stopped in the guest house. I will show you later. What is really cool about this place that we have this gorgeous view of the river, and behind me just there is waterfall. Before going to waterfall, I want to have a look on this street. As you see it, like it's a small market with many things, fancy flower, colorful clothes for Pimai, water guns and stuff like that. Also, I would like picture. Okay. What's your name? Wait.
My name is Lodo.
Lodo.
And you?
My name is Tulon, Margarita. Yeah, you can just call me Rita, it's okay. We take picture. Take picture.
Okay.
Thank you. I just came inside one of the guest houses, and this is the information. I don't know if this price is all the time or only just for COVID times. I'm not sure about that. But anyway, you can find rooms for different prices. Cheap, something more expensive, like where we stay. I will show you the rooms. I will show you the guest house. So the aircon room costs $100 and room with fan $70, which is $10 and $7. And here, as you see, you can find rooms even for $3-4 with shared bathroom, but no aircon. On this side, you can see the guest houses. Danny is waving over there. So this is all our guest house. There are a few more along the river that way I showed you before. And now let's head to the waterfall. People going back home, some people cleaning. It's a mess here. I was talking with a few local foreigners, two foreigners who live here for some time. They know a lot about this place. They say that this village is about 400-500 people, but today it was probably more than 2,000 visitors. But an hour ago, official police or local government, they came and they said everything should be stopped because there is one case of COVID in the nearby bigger city in this area. People playing some games. Gambling. My God, this bridge. Look at this bridge. And he just drove with a motorbike. This is the little river. Here is the other side of the river. And look at this, looks so cute. Unfortunately, probably we will not see how it looks at night time when lights on, because basically it's over. Let's have a look. What is here? Something yummy. Okay, should be really careful. Okay, I did that. Sai house, 20,000. I'm not sure what it means. Look at this, so cute. Wow. There is one more bridge. You see, and this is toy house, 30,000. I'm not really sure what it means, but they have these huts with different names and different prices. And waterfall, epic waterfall. Honestly, I was checking on the Google map, and I couldn't find this waterfall on the map, because when we already came to the town, we saw the sign, and I was trying to check on the Google map, but it's not on Google map. Look at this dam, oh my god. Honestly, I feel very scared walking on this bridge. Look, it's shaking. But people, they get used to that, and they just like hop, and already on the other side. And I'm crawling here. Perfect spot when it's 40 degrees outside and you have cold beer. On this side where was also celebration. It's like the best view. The camera cannot see what I can see with my eyes. Looks like there are a few restaurants like this, like with waterfall view. So sweet, local kids. I don't know, maybe the water is not so cold as I'm thinking, or maybe they just got used to. How are you? I'm good. Look at them. And boy, he came to me and he was like, "You are YouTube?" I was like, "Yes," and they started to laugh. Now they feel very excited and happy. Look at this, it's so awesome, wow! I'm so happy we came here. This waterfall is just amazing. Honestly, I'm not a big fan of waterfalls. I won't rush to every single waterfall, but this one is definitely worth to come. I checked on the Google map again. I was a little bit wrong. You can find it on Google map, but the name is That Hang waterfall. The name of the river is That Lo, but the name of the waterfall is That Hang.
Sorry.
It's okay, no worries. How are you?
I'm fine, thanks.
This is one of the favorite and famous games in Laos. People love to play this game. You pay 5,000. If you break 3 out of 3, you will get one of these presents. If not, not. Okay, go. Oh, no. One more. Wow, look at him. And he's throwing it like in this way somehow. Not like this, but in this way. Huh? Uh-oh. Oops. One more. Oh, wow. That was a good shot.
Oh, no.
Oh, no. No. Wow. Yeah. One.
Nice, very nice.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Very disappointed, right? 5,000 just for nothing, and it started so well. They love this game, and actually it's a lot of fun, honestly. Even just to look at them, it's a lot of fun. Here, on this corner, I was passing by before, but this is what left. I should sit in the middle. Okay, because I'm kind of a big girl and this small thing is just like tilting to the side where I'm sitting. So he was like, sit in the middle. Oh my god. Oh my god. Actually, you know, it's higher if you're inside. I did that. Right? Who would think that somewhere in the village in Laos I'm gonna have this fun? People are playing games, gambling, and what I like the most, even kids are playing. They have small money like 1,500, which is like 10 cents. I don't really know how it works, what's the meaning of the game, what they do. I just see the small money, the girl is so happy. Sipan, I think she won 10,000, $1. And look at this baby, so cute. We have different animals. One for a cock, 6 for fish. Okay, they put money, 2,000. What they gonna do next? Local gambling, local casino, and everyone is playing, kids, adults, everyone. Very cool. Okay, ready, steady, go. Okay, so I think those who put money on some certain animals, they won. For example, if you put money on a cock, you won. If not, you don't. Okay, interesting. So he's gonna shake those dice again. People put money. Okay, I think I got that. Honestly, I already got lost. It's so dark. I don't know where is my guest house. And what I like about this place, what I also noticed, that there are many kids around, and there are many people who are like really poor. You can see from the way they look that they are very poor. But nobody begs, nobody asks, nobody's like, oh Farhan, give me money, as in some places happens. It's not even about Laos, in some countries. So I'm really amazed by that everyone is just excited to see foreigner. Everyone is just like, oh, hello Farhan, hello, how are you? They're trying to speak to you in the way they can, what they can say, what they can ask, but there's nothing like that. I'm really happy to be here, honestly, and now I just hope that I will find where is my guest house. Found my guest house. The name is Pakse, and again, it was very confusing because the name here is one name. The name on the Google map is not like SI but SY, so that's why we also couldn't find it. So confusing, so don't really trust Google Map that much. This is my advice to you, and even Maps.me also doesn't really work here well. I came back to the guest house, and at the beginning I promised you to show the room. So here is the room. So here what you got for 100. So just 2 simple beds, aircon kind of working but doesn't have this flip for swing the air, super old TV, few hangers, and the bathroom. And the bathroom is just like this. Nothing fancy, super simple. For 100 with the aircon, for 70 with just a fan. And this is the village. This is the village. This is not city. This is not Pakse or Vientiane. So nothing extraordinary or super duper cool can't be expected. And yeah, as I told you, there are a few guest houses all over this place around waterfall for different prices. This is what you get with the aircon, because all the rest places, they might look much better than this one, but they have no aircon. But for them it was a big deal to have aircon. At this point, I'm gonna stop my vlog. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked that. This is not the last day of our trip, so some few more videos are coming. Stay tuned and see you next time. Bye.
Why does mine look very different to yours?
Yeah.
Is that safe to eat?
Yeah.
Celebrate the
You sure?
It's okay.
Happy New Year, Dad.
So this is duck egg with a
no,
baby
it's
duck
falling out.
inside.
I can't cheat.
lost your embryon.
This is our first experience. Danny?
Mm.
It's not often you see me
I'm not
like
sure about that.
bulking at some food.
Really?
Your face doesn't look quite so happy, Dan. What do you think?
Now I saw.
No, it's just that colour and the smell of it.
I know,
That's
yeah.
just, yeah, but the egg yolk.
People just said that if you eat this egg, you are already a
With
local,
feathers, with
because
feathers.
Yeah,
as
those
you
some
can
of them
see,
do
there are
have
a
the
few
feathers, but these
foreigners
don't.
here who stay in Laos for a long time, but they never tried that. This is Danny's first time, and I just finished my egg.
This bit's alright, because it basically is like egg, but that top part was
Yeah, the one you lost in the plate. Yeah.
intense flavour.
Intense. How intense it was.
Quite. But this is all good.
Good.
So